welcome back to the channel. You can tell that I'm actually very excited today because I've been wanting to film this tutorial video of making a palazzo trouser, not just because I want to film a video, because I don't even have a palazzo trouser and I've been wanting to make one for myself for the longest time. I finally was able to do it today. For the past 4 days, I've been 3 days now, like there's really no light. Once in a while they bring light, and my sewing machine and ring light needs light, so without those two things I can really not do anything relating to content creation. Is really hard for me. So today I've been able to make this right here, and I'm sure definitely by the time you see this video that I'm making right now, this tutorial will definitely be up. Obviously I'm so excited, guys. I'm excited that I've been able to finish that. Now the next thing I want to actually do is I have a lot of scrap fabrics. Like if I turn my camera to the place where I pile all my fabrics together, you see that it's so much. So I decided I wanted to make patch with it. I already started making one, but I'm going to just put you guys, since there's still light, I don't want to make another whole tutorial video right now, so let's just try and see what we can do towards that area of patch fabric. And I'm going to, after that, try to clean up this room, because whenever I make videos it always ends up very messy. I'm going to show you guys how my room is looking right now, so mixed up. So I'm just going to arrange some of my patch fabric and just iron them out. Maybe, I don't know, depends on whether Nepal is in the same mood as I am right now. So I'm going to actually show you all the patch fabric that I have, the materials that I have for patch fabric, and then we're going to start. So let's go. So I still have my ring light. This is the small one. This was the one I was using for like 8 months straight before I got this one, which is what I use right now. So I still use the both of them together when I'm making a video. That's my sewing machine there, so you can see that everything needs light. So this is where I connect everything. So I have to remove my desktop from the table whenever I'm filming, because yeah, this is where I do all my videos. Pretend like you're not seeing my bed. I told you that when we flip over to where the clothes is, you're going to literally shout. So these are all, like, this is where I keep materials though. So this is like the first set of materials. So everything here is cotton. There's nothing here that's not cotton. So everything here is pure cotton. That's basically what you need for, it's not what you need, it's like you must use the same type of fabric for patch. So everything here is cotton. If you're using a different kind of material, maybe something like this, but I don't know why anybody wants to use something like this for making patch fabric, that means every other thing you're going to be using is going to be like this. But for this particular one, I'm making use of pure cotton, so I have a lot of it. These other ones here are wider fabrics. I'm going to leave those ones. I think I already put all these ones together before. So this one right here is one that I already started doing, and it's kind of like straight lines. I even have a full tutorial on the channel already that is all about how to make patch fabric, but I just feel like filming the behind the scenes of me doing this one. So this is different, but this is not what I'm not going to continue with this. With this whole fabric, I'm just going to be making box. Before I would be able to do anything with this, I would need to iron it out. So I have to, let's first of all go over to the iron. Let's go and iron it out. I thought like this is hard. I think I've forgotten how it felt the first time I did patch fabric. It's so hard. Like I've not even gone anywhere with the ironing. I'm already tired and sweaty. I'm I'm going to look for something to eat. I'm hungry because I just finished making palazzo before entering into this one. I'm going to look for something to eat. Then if there's still light, I'll come back to this. If there's no light, I'll just clean the room and that'll be it. But let me look for something to eat first. So guys, this is what I had after I was done with all the ironing. This was so time consuming. Like, you can imagine ironing tiny pieces of material straight. This was so time consuming, but honestly, the thing I love the most about this is just look how beautifully they came out. Look how neat they are now. So it's going to be very easy now to just cut out each piece. So guys, after doing all the ironing, basically that's all for the work I wanted to do today. Like, I was able to make a palazzo trouser, still was able to start working on making a patch fabric. That was so much work for one day. Honestly, if you're the one doing the work, it looks harder. It looks easy actually from what you're seeing right now in the video. It's not as easy as it looks. Like, this is what I go through almost every time I make a particular video. Any video you see online, this is like the behind the scene of every single video. So after all the work, I have to actually start cleaning the room, which is another work on its own. Hey guys, so I just finished cleaning the room, and while I was cleaning it, I found so many more pieces that I can actually work with. So you see how much pieces I got. So I'm not going to be doing any more cutting or ironing today. That will have to be tomorrow's work. That's if there's light. Or if there's light, fine, but if there's no light, I don't know, or maybe it will be next tomorrow or the day after. But these videos now, I need to start working on them, especially the palazzo trouser, which is what I'm putting on right now. This palazzo trouser, I need to work on it, and I really want this video to come up at least tomorrow, because there has been no light and I've really not been as consistent as I want to be this month. So that's basically all for this video. I think this evening, the only thing I'll have now, I have an online course that I'm taking, and I have an assignment on there. I think that's the only thing I will do this night, and after that I'm just going to sleep. So thank you so much guys for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and please do stick around, because if you miss any of my vlogs, that means you're not going to see the end of me making this patch fabric. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope that I'll see you in my next video. If you liked this one, give it a thumbs up, like, and thumbs up is like, okay, give it a thumbs up, share and comment. I will see you guys in the next one.